Today I'll show you how to sew cotton panties without elastic. This DIY underwear project is beginner-friendly and perfect if you want comfortable and well-fitting panties made at home. My tip: if you have different colors of fabric, use a different top thread color and a different bottom thread color. In this project, I used white top thread and apricot bottom thread. And here's the finished pair. Parting face. Soft, comfy, and perfectly handmade. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own panties at home.